Welcome back to Mumford Restoration. We're showing you things that are coming in and out of the shop. You guys might have seen the before of this cool swing. We're thinking maybe 50s or 60s. And the customer chose a really cool fabric. And we were just talking about it should go out on the lanai, out on the patio, or somewhere that you can really enjoy this thing with the canopy. You know, it's a rainproof material, it's a sunbrella material, also outdoor cushions, and then outdoor fabric, and it turned out just great. Being white, I think, was exactly the right color to go to. So we just wanted to show you the final result and how proud we are that it fits and everything looks exactly right, and customers coming today to pick it up. Thanks for watching.